Is it time to buy or sell VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we're diving deep into the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of September in 2024, our system has ranked the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.23. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of -0.24%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.12% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases ahead. The present 3-month trend forecasts a possible decline of approximately 13.46% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from -23.02% to -5.77%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 75.89% over the next year, with expected returns between 73.28% and 136.05%. In practical terms, this implies a price range between $389.28 and $530.29 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund includes the headline: The VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF price concluded at $224.65 on Wednesday after a decline of 0.240 thousandths%. The price of the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF decreased by 0.240 thousandths% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024. The price dropped from $225.19 to $224.65. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 3.22%, with a low of $221.46 and a high of $228.58. It has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has decreased by 9.44% during this period. Trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the ETF price, which is actually a positive indicator since volume should align with ETF movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 5 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1,930 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $283.07, while the lowest price was $136.10. Currently, the price is 20.64%, or $58.42, below the 52-week high, and 29.54%, or $94.17, below the all-time high reached on the 22nd of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $318.82. The VanEck Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund, commonly referred to as SMH, is currently facing significant volatility as the chip sector encounters considerable challenges. Recently, SMH experienced a decline of more than 7%, marking its largest drop since March 2020. This downturn is primarily attributed to major companies such as Nvidia and Intel, which have reported steep losses. With interest rates remaining at a 20-year high, indications of a cooling labor market may lead the Federal Reserve to contemplate potential rate cuts. Such actions could provide a much-needed uplift for technology stocks, including those within the semiconductor industry. The forthcoming earnings reports from key players like NVIDIA are likely to further impact investor sentiment. Analysts anticipate considerable price fluctuations following these announcements, which may either intensify existing declines or create opportunities for recovery. Additionally, the competitiveness of United States semiconductor stocks is expected to come under scrutiny as the industry contends with growing apprehensions regarding China's advancements in chip technology. In the short term, the ongoing sell-off may discourage investors. However, any potential easing of interest rates could enhance market conditions, yielding benefits for SMH. In the long run, the fundamental performance of semiconductor companies, supported by sustained demand, will be essential for maintaining investor confidence. Traders should keep a close eye on earnings developments and macroeconomic indicators, as these factors could significantly shape SMH's trajectory in the weeks and months ahead. The following signals have been identified for the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or SMH. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance can be expected at the levels of $237.10 and $238.23. A break above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, August 19, 2024, and since then, the price has decreased by 10.62%. Additional declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading session, which lowers overall risk since volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 29 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF. VanEck Vectors Semiconductor finds support from accumulated volume at $218.43. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund has average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $7.12 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.22%. During the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.74%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF is at $231.01. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF faces its first support level at $218.43. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop-loss in place. Is the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange-Traded Fund a wise investment? The VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Fund shows several concerning indicators and is currently in a broad downward trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this fund. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of September, we predict that the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor Exchange Traded Fund will open with an increase of approximately 247 cents, starting the trading session at $224.90. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not base your investment choices solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.